Measuring 6 to 7 meters long and 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter, the small intestine is the longest part of the digestive tract and has 3 parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. It is so long because it needs a maximum amount of surface area to increase digestion and nutrient absorption. When you eat, it takes about 6 to 8 hours for food to pass through your stomach and small intestine. After its passage through the stomach, ingested food turned into a chyme passes into small intestine. The first segment of the small intestine, the duodenum, continues the breaking down process and receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. The liver produces bile, a secretion that helps digest fats. Bile is stored in the gallbladder until it is needed. As fatty food enters the duodenum, gallbladder squeezes bile into the small intestine. The pancreas makes enzymes that help digest proteins, fats, and carbs, and also a secretion that neutralizes stomach acid. Bile and pancreatic juices empty into the duodenum through the sphincter of Oddi. Digestive enzymes break the food down to smaller components that can be absorbed by the body. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, carbohydrates into simple sugars, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. The second part of the small intestine is the jejunum, and it is the place where most nutrients are absorbed. The third part of the small intestine is the ileum, and is the place where the final parts of digestive absorption take place. The inner wall of the small intestine is covered with millions of small finger-like projections called villi that extend into the lumen of the small intestine and increase the absorption surface area. Each villus is approximately 0.5–1.6 mm in length and contains capillaries and lymphatic vessels which absorb nutrients and bring them with the blood to the rest of the body. A series of wave-like muscle contractions, known as peristalsis, move food through the digestive tract. These movements are controlled by a network of nerves that runs from the esophagus to the anus and is called the enteric nervous system. The muscles of the small intestine mix food with digestive juices and push the mixture forward into the large intestine for further digestion.